let's see if it'll come up.
Come on, Bertie. Bring some crackers.
We are.
Grill that.
Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? He caught it. The bird was eating it, I'm sorry. You can't see the bird running up it is. Yeah, he's probably set it up here. Come here. There it goes, there it goes, show it to him. Show it to him. Get it on, get it on, get it on. Look, go down there. Look down there.
There's the food. Oh, the lady.
Let him come over here.
A little bit more.
Here, Ron. Here, get them all over here that we can drop it down. So they can't see it. Make sure that they get them. Here, watch.
They're waiting for y'all to walk away.
Now watch this. See if they can get them closer. Devin, scoot back. You and Caitlin scoot back and watch this. Let's see if they come down now. Stay back. Right, they'll come over here. Watch. Be real quiet. Come over here, Mama. And watch them come and get what we put. They know it's there. Don't throw it no more if they don't get it. Just stand back and watch them now. They'll keep coming. There they go. Just stand real still. Real still. That's how they come. Who's out there letting the dog poop out there? What's the difference?
Yeah, the dog. They're the same ones that complain on Wednesday.
Take them out there and crumb them all up and walk away. Okay. Walk away.
Don't get started on that.
Ain't that true?
Yeah. Hey, when you're done with that toy,
Watch. Stand still. Stand still.
potatoes. There's a little more weight in the drum higher.
Oh, that was nice.
My mom's painting too.
They are pretty birds. Aren't they so nice? Bye, Birdie.
Say bye-bye, Birdie.
I have some mud on my...
Robin, is there a foam jacket behind this thing?